Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a double peanut butter sandwich on non-toasted bread. So first you get some bread that's not toasted. So just get some bread and make sure you just don't put it in the toaster. Then you're fine. So I got I got a spoon and I got a knife here and I got a bunch of peanut butter. So I'm going to go in here because this is a double peanut butter sandwich on non-toasted bread. We're going to put some serious, peanut butter on this. Just get it in there. So you can see that there. Okay. And the goal is to put as much peanut butter as you can onto that sandwich because it's not a regular peanut butter sandwich, it's a double peanut butter sandwich. And that's the important part. Okay. So it actually takes a little bit of work to do that. Look at that. Okay. And we're getting there. This is like a half. It's not a double yet. We want some real peanut butter for this sandwich here. Definitely look at that. Serious peanut butter going on. Without a doubt. And go in there and get one more spoonful. And there we go. Now we're getting to that double peanut butter sandwich. So there we go. There is a double peanut butter sandwich on non-toasted bread. As always, rock and roll, of course, it does compute. If you like this type of amazing content, you know what to do. Subscribe. Compute that, y'all. Yeah. Tasty.